The S26 Ultra keeps the iconic boxy design but refines it further with a lightweight titanium frame, thinner bezels, and a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's expected to support QHD+ resolution, up to 144Hz refresh rate, and Samsung's new Gorilla Armor glass for maximum durability. Visually stunning, and built to survive the everyday. Under the hood, expect nothing less than flagship power. Depending on the region, the S26 Ultra will be powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Samsung's own Exynos 2600. Both built on a cutting-edge 2nm process, promising improved energy efficiency and next-gen AI processing. Backed with 12 or 16 GB of RAM and storage options going up to 1 TB, this device is made for power users, gamers, and multitaskers alike. Now here's the twist. Samsung is reportedly reducing the rear camera count from 4 to 3. But don't panic. The setup includes a 200-megapixel main sensor, now rumored to support variable aperture, allowing for dynamic light adjustments in real time. There's also a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and an enhanced 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens for sharper zoom. The 12-megapixel front camera is getting software upgrades to improve low-light selfies and video quality. The battery is getting a subtle but important upgrade. A 5400 mAh silicon-carbon battery is in the works, slightly bigger than its predecessor, but far more efficient. Don't expect blazing fast charging though. Samsung is sticking with 45 watts for wired and 25 watts wireless, which may disappoint speed-hungry users, especially with competitors pushing 100 watts or more. But with better battery chemistry, longer lifespan, and cooler temperatures are the trade-off. Out of the box, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will run Android 15 with One UI 8.5. Expect smart AI features, better multitasking, and advanced customization. Samsung's Directs mode returns for desktop-style productivity, and the S Pen is still built-in, offering unmatched precision for creatives and professionals. Plus, with promised software support for 7 years, you're buying long-term value. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch around January or February 2026, with a starting price between $12.99 and $13.99. That's a serious investment, but for many, the combination of cutting-edge performance, a massive display, and long-term software support may be worth every penny. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy S26 Ultra the upgrade you've been waiting for? Or are the camera changes and slow charging a deal-breaker? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-nonsense tech breakdowns.